Hi everybody, I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Claire. I have got a pajama subscription to share with you, and it is Jarmabox. Comes in this gorgeous reusable box. I'll just open it up and give you a little sneak peek of what it looks like inside. I'll show you in more detail in a little while. So if you're new to the Jarmabox, the subscription box, they also do a pick a mix box, which I unboxed on my channel a couple of months ago, but this is their subscription, the one which is a mystery box. Then carry on watching, I'll give you a bit of a lowdown telling you all about it. But as always, if you know everything there is to know about the subscription and you just want to see what's inside their January box, then you're free to skip forward. You'll find a timestamp down below in my comments. This box is kindly gifted to me for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it on my channel. As I said at the start, a couple of months ago, they kindly sent me a pick and mix box, which is a new concept for them, where you get to choose your own set of pajamas and 4 beauty products. But this is their subscription. The subscription has been running for the last year or so, and I've received a couple of their boxes, and they kindly got in touch with me after Christmas asking if I'd like to receive their January box. So I thought, yeah, I love PJs and the subscription is fab. I know a load of you do subscribe and you do really like this box. This box is only available in the UK and Northern Ireland. You have a choice of a bi-monthly subscription or a monthly subscription. You have a choice of having just a pajama subscription, which will cost you £19.99, or you can opt for what they sent me, a pajama and beauty subscription, which will cost you £29.99. If you live in the UK, there's free shipping. If you live in the Shetlands and the Islands and Northern Ireland, there's £2 additional shipping on top. You can pause a subscription and you can cancel any month, as long as you cancel before your next payment is taken out, which is the 1st of every month. Now they say you're able to subscribe anytime within a month from the 1st to the end, but sometimes their boxes do sell out. So if you subscribe and the box is sold out, then you will receive the following month's box, but obviously you won't be charged for that. But it will tell you on their website if the boxes are sold out, so at least you know what box you'll be getting. They also have a 14-day exchange policy, which is brilliant. So if your pajamas do not fit you, then you're able to get in touch with them to sort that out. The sizes are UK size 6 to a size 22. They do say as well that if you want more of a comfort baggy fit, to always opt for a slightly larger size. Now they did give me a code, it might have been a year or so ago, I can't remember now. If you can still use it, you're welcome to use it. It's not affiliated, I don't get anything for it, but it's DBG10, which will entitle you to receive 10% off your first box. But if I can find any other discounts out, then I'll pop that down below in my description, as well as links to the subscription. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you were to click that, that'll bring up my description, and yeah, it'll all be down there. So let's get on to showing you what I got. So inside I've got a leaflet, and it details everything about my products that are inside the box, including my pajamas. So I'll refer to this as we go along. It says, time for beauty sleep. This month's edit is all about recharging after the busy festive period and catching up on all that important beauty sleep, featuring a cozy waffle pajama set and 4 must-have sleep treats to help you unwind after a busy day and sleep like a baby. Remember to tag us in your cozy snaps at Jarmabox for a reshare on our story. Now there's a sneak peek for the February box. February is the month of self-love, so next month's edit is all about indulging in a little extra pampering, featuring a silky soft pink striped pajama set and 4 pretty pink beauty treats, including Star Skin Organic Pink Cactus Velvet Eye Cream worth £38. So in every box you'll receive an eye cream from Star Skin. So I'll go through the beauty products first. So first up, we can't have a sleepy time box without a sleep mask. This is from spacemasks.com. I'm not going to open it up, because once you open it up and you start fiddling around with the mask, it activates the warmth. If you've never tried one of these, they are really lovely. I've got a little box with quite a few of them in now, so both me and my daughter, now and again, we use them. She uses them more than I do, but when I think about it and I want to have a decent night's sleep, because I do struggle with my sleep, yeah, I do put it on. It doesn't make me go off to sleep, but it does relax me. They're especially good if you suffer from headaches as well. You can get scented ones, and yeah, there's lots of different sleep masks out there. It says it lasts for about 15 minutes minutes, but generally we found that they've lasted a lot longer, and they just gradually warm up, so really nice and relaxing. Slip on your space mask before bed and relax and drift away. Infused with the essence of jasmine and filled with iron powder, the one-time use mask slowly warms up to relieve tiredness, eye strain and other tensions, and the recommended retail price for one mask is £3.95. Next we've got a bath oil by Tisserand Aromatherapy with jasmine, sandalwood and lavender, and there's 100 mils here. I love this brand. It brings back memories of when I did an aromatherapy and massage course years ago, years and years and years ago, and yeah, I got introduced to Tisserand then. Oh, it smells so nice. It smells absolutely beautiful. We haven't got a bath anymore. No, we haven't got a bath anymore, so any bath products like this are now going to be used for foot baths. This bath oil retails for £11. Unwind at the end of the day with a soothing blend of calming lavender, jasmine and sandalwood combined to encourage a peaceful night's sleep. Enrich with skin pampering coconut, sweet almond and jojoba natural moisturiser. So there's that. Next we've got a face serum. This is by Luna Glow Night Elixir Serum, and there's 30 mils there. And that's what it looks like there. Oh, I've put a little bit too much on. No scent. Yeah, that's absorbed really nicely into my skin. The serum retails for £12. Wake up to a beautiful looking younger skin with this powerful complexion enhancing formula. Infused with prickly pear seed oil and vitamin E and K, the serum stimulates cell renewal to reduce redness, hyperpigmentation and offer your skin total rejuvenation. So there's that. Then last of the beauty products, we got a product by Ren Clean Skincare. This is a Now to Sleep. It's a pillow spray. Calms and soothes, prepares for beauty sleep, naturally scented, and there's 75 mils here. I'm sure I've tried this. I've got quite a few little pillow sprays and room sprays. Maybe I've tried a little mini one of this before. I can't remember now. What's it like? Oh, it's nice. Woo, it's just going in my eyes. Oh, it's nice. It is nice. Some pillow sprays can be quite smelly, can be really potent, and I know my husband, there's only a few that he likes. He's like, no, Claire, no, just stop it, stop doing it. This is quite a subtle scent. You can definitely smell the lavender, but it's not overpowering. You know, it doesn't get you at the back of your throat like some of them do. No, that's a nice one. This retails for £19. This Heavenly Hypnotic Mist is ideal for all those who need help to switch off pre-bed, soothing stresses and assisting relaxation with its gorgeous blend of frankincense, hops and lavender. Natural sedatives, these calming fragrances have been used since ancient times to relax the mind and reduce anxiety. So those are all the beauty items, so I'll just grab them all. We've got a sleep mask, we've got a bath oil or a foot soak oil, which I'm going to use it for. We've got a pillow spray and we've got a nighttime serum. So those are the beauty elements of this box. Now on to the pyjamas. They're cream waffle pyjamas. If you're up close, can you see there? Cream waffle pyjamas there, and long sleeves. Looks quite long in the body. I will try them on to show you, and they sent me extra large. Now when they asked me last time, I said I'm a 16 to 18. If it's on the fitted side, I'm more 18. So yeah, so I think extra large is possibly an 18. And then we've got, yeah, we've got long bottoms. So I was thinking, oh, that waist is quite small, but no, it's all right, it's okay. It's fine, look, it stretches. It was just tied up. I was thinking that's not going to go on my waist, but no, that's completely fine. And yeah, you've got cuffed bottoms. They look like they're going to be really nice and comfy and warm, but not too warm, if you know what I mean, because it's like got this waffle, you might not be able to see through it, this waffle knit that is breathable then, you know. Yeah, I like the idea of these. So I'm going to try them on and I'll come back. Here's the pyjamas, I'm wearing a black bra underneath, so if you can see anything underneath there. It's more fitted than the last pair of pyjamas I had, but it's nice, you know, it doesn't cling or anything like that, you know. The waist is nice. The bottoms are more leggings, they're more tighter fitting. They're not really baggy but on me, but then I have got chunky legs. But yeah, I really like them. Nice and comfy. And nice and lightweight as well, like what I predicted. Yeah. Really, really nice. So thank you Jarmabox for sending them out to me. So I hope you enjoyed watching. Please let me know what you think of this subscription. If you are a subscriber and you've received your January box, what do you think of the products? Or are you watching this wondering if this is for you or not? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. So please comment down below. Take care and I'll speak to you all again soon. Bye.